Today our story is The Wheels on the Bike. Now I am going to sing it, so if you know the tune and the song, sing along with me. The wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town. The pedals on the bike go up and down, up and down, up and down. The pedals on the bike go up and down, all through the town. The cow on the bike says moo, move on back, moo, move on back, moo, move on back. The cow on the bike says moo, move on back, all through the town. The horn on the bike goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bike goes beep, 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 all through the town. The geese on the bike go honk, 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 honk. The geese on the bike go honk, 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 all through the town. The ducks on the bike go quack, 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 quack. The ducks on the bike go quack, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bike go round and round until they get to the circus. The end.